Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will solve this algebraic problem. And the given problem here is if x square minus square root 3x plus 1 that is equal to 0, then we will have to find the value of x raised to the power 18 plus 1 over x raised to the power 18. Friends, for solving this type of problem, first of all we will try to make this first expression in the form of x plus 1 over x type form. For this is a quadratic equation. It is a one type of quadratic equation. So now for solving this problem, our first step will be, we'll keep the square value and number value in the left hand side and coefficient of x value, that is in the right hand side. Now our first step will be, we'll keep x square plus 1 in the left hand side, and here the coefficient of x, that is in negative. So in the right hand side it will be positive, so it is positive square root 3 times x. Now for making this in the form of x over 1 by x, we'll divide both sides by x. So if we'll divide it by x square plus 1, we'll divide it by x. In the right hand also root under 3x and divide by x. So here x and x gets cancelled. So in the left hand side we have x square by x plus 1 over x, that is equal to square root 3. Here x square and x value gets cancelled, so it is x remaining. So x plus 1 by x, that is equal to square root 3. So here we have got these expressions in the form of x plus 1 over x. So here it is. So friend, here we have power of x is 1 and we have to make it to 18. For that we will require square power and cube power. So we'll have to make square of this expression. So square of x plus 1 over x, here it is square root 3. Now we'll square it. So if we'll square x plus 1 over x, and we'll square it in the left hand side and as well as square root 3 and square. Now here it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So here it is a plus b whole square. We can write the formula as a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. So likewise we'll write it here, x square plus 2, a means x, so x times b means 1 over x plus b square means 1 over x whole square, that is equal to here square root and square value gets cancelled, so it is 3. Now we'll simplify this expression. Here x and 1 over x gets cancelled, so we have in the left hand side it is x square plus it is 2, we'll write it later, and it is 1 over x square. So we'll write it as 3, and the number value, that is 2, we'll take it in the right hand side, it will be negative 2, so negative 2. Now the value of x square plus 1 by x square, that is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So in the next step, step 2 for solution of this problem, we will cube this value. So if we'll cube x square plus 1 over x square, and it is whole cube. In the left hand side we have cubed and right hand side also 1 cube. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So the formula of a plus b whole cube is a plus b and whole cube, and the formula of it is a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab in the bracket a plus b. So likewise in place of x square it is a and 1 over x square it is b. So this formula will be here x square and cube plus b cube means 1 over x square and cube value plus 3 times a means x square and b means 1 by x square times a plus b means x square plus 1 over x square, and that is equal to 1 cube. The value of 1 cube will be 1. Now we'll simplify this. Now our next step will be to simplify it. It is x square and cube. It will be x raised to the power 6 plus, likewise here it is 1 over x to the power 6. It is x square and 1 over x square gets cancelled, so it is 3 times, and the value of x square plus 1 over x square is 1, and the value of it is 1. So 3 times 1, that is equal to 1. So the value of x raised to the power 6 plus 1 over x raised to the power 6 here is 1 minus here 3 times 1 is 3. So the value will be 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So here we have calculated the value of x raised to the power 6 plus 1 over x raised to the power 6, that is equal to negative 2. Now in the next page we will simplify it. So now we have calculated up to power of 6, and we'll have to make the power of x raised to the power up to 18. For that we'll again have to cube it. Now we'll cube this expression. It is x raised to the power 6 plus 1 over x raised to the power 6, and we'll cube it. In the right hand side also it is negative 2, and we'll cube it. Now again it is in the form of a plus b whole cube, so it is a cube. A cube means x raised to the power 6 whole cube plus 1 over x. It is cubed again, and now 3ab, 3 times a means x raised to the power 6 and b means 1 over x raised to the power 6, and a plus b, a means x raised to the power 6 plus 1 over x raised to the power 6. So here in the right hand side we have negative powered by 3, and that will be negative only, and 2 cube is 8. The value of 2 cube is 8, so it is negative 8. Now we'll simplify it. It is x raised to the power 6 and its cube is x powered by 18, plus likewise it is 1 over x raised to the power 18. Here the x raised to the power 6 and 1 over x raised to the power 6 gets cancelled, so it is plus 3 times the value of this expression x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6 is negative 2. So it is multiplied by negative 2, that is equal to negative 8. I will simplify it. We'll keep the x raised to the power 18 plus 1 over x raised to the power 18, that is equal to, here it is negative 8, and this value will be 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, and this 6 will go in the right hand side, it will be plus 6. So the value of the term x raised to the power 18 plus 1 over x raised to the power 18, that is equal to negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. So friend, here we have calculated the value of x raised to the power 18 plus 1 over x raised to the power 18, that is equal to negative 2. So this is our answer. This is our answer of the questions.